The market seems pretty stable, and something that I've been focusing on more and more over the last few weeks is getting into projects that are not just established, but the ones that have an upcoming airdrop for tokens. So you can then benefit not just from the token launch, but also from the additional volume that is generated just by the market performing well. And I came across this from Aster over here, in which they said that the RH points are back and better than ever, which means if you are trading anyways, I always like to think, what additional benefits can I personally get? And in here, you would farm RH points for their future AST token airdrop allocation. And it's as simple as it gets. The more you collect, the more you get by trading, referring, as well as having an additional boost with campaigns that they have. You know, they're sitting at close to $400 billion in total trading volume alone, with almost 700,000 users so far. I wouldn't be surprised if this goes to like 500 billion and a million users in the next couple months alone. Partner with Kernel, Venus, PancakeSwap itself, YZ Labs, allowing for deep liquidity and low fees, while also having cross-chain liquidity aggregation available, so everything as shown over here floods into Aster, making it smooth, automated, and they handle the rest. The easier it is to get into something, the easier it can scale. They also offer staking for up to 30% APY on different coins. All the various different features have been audited as well, whether it's their vault, their earn, their BNB audit, USDF as well, or Cake, by both PackShield as well as Sailor Security, so you can read about that yourself. And they're designed for security and transparency, which means at any time you can simply check the smart contracts yourself for both Treasury as well as the earn feature and USDF, so you always know where your money goes and what happens with that. And one small thing that just comes to mindset but is important long term, and that is, they say they're laser focused on building the best decentralized perpetual exchange in the space, committed to delivering a seamless, powerful, and truly decentralized on-chain derivatives trading experience. The important point about that is, they're not focused on making the most money, not focused on doing the coolest marketing. They want to deliver the best possible product, and people who are focused on the best product win long term. And also since last month, they have the Aster Spectra over here with stage 1 currently since April 10th, which are points that you earn for the upcoming Aster airdrop. I will also talk later in the video how pretty much anything you do on the site gives you AST airdrop points, as you collect points called RH, which you get by trading like a pro and also earning like a pro. So again, compared to other dexes, when you trade anyways, in this case you also get some additional benefits. And Aster, which was previously known as Asteris, is a next-gen decentralized perpetual exchange built for everyone, which means when you're on the site and you redeem the code, link for that also down below, and connect either on an EVM chain or Solana, which means basically Phantom, MetaMask, Binance Wallet, or any of the other ones. You can then deposit tokens into your Aster perpetual wallet to start trading. Just select the chain with the right currency and deposit some on there, and you'll then be able to trade. So you can have the simple overview as well, which gives you a more basic and clean look with everything important still shown, or you select Pro in the top left, and then also get the order book as well as some other details shown on there. And it will then give you a lot of different things that you can do on the left hand side, where you can trade, earn. You also get fully collateralized stable coins and some more. The important thing is for us, for the airdrop, when you trade, you get points. Points lead to a bigger airdrop, and while the top 20 all have 1 million points and more, this is not late to join yet, as there are always different epochs when it comes to trading. For example, in the last one, number 1 had 45 million, right? So it seems like a lot when they have millions of points, but that means in the last time frame, number 1 had 11 times as many points as the current number 1, so you're not late. This is still easy to beat. You can still be one of the highest ranks in here, but it all depends on how you trade. Then Aster as well is backed by YZ Labs and also followed by people like CZ himself. Here's the thing, why it's important that he not just mentioned Aster before, but is also actively looking at it. And that is last year, with the, biggest example that I can find, Peanut. When Peanut was pretty hyped and it went to like 300, 400 million a market cap, or just like 140 here in this initial bump, there was a rumor that it might get listed on Binance. And the moment that happened, it went up by like $2 billion, which was insane. Over 3 billion in 24-hour volume and lots of hype behind it. So it went from the initial 5 to 10 cents up to 40 cents, and then it got listed on Binance, went up to $2 at that time with the circulation back then. And that is based on rumor and then listing. Now, if CZ, who is one of the most influential people in all of crypto, already mentioned Aster and YZ Labs is backing them, you could think that there might be something big potentially on the line. And even just like one connection or like one tweet could be insanely valuable. And they're building in a way so things in here are trader first, combine both yield generating products as well as perpetual infrastructure. And of course, with more and more people getting into crypto and trading, and with them being number 3 when it comes to volume alone with almost 500 million in the last 24 hours, this is something that I think is somewhat underrated. as there haven't been many people talking about it yet, which is a great indicator as there are some things that can be overhyped and some things that are underhyped. Now, one of the most talked about projects in that regard is Hyperliquid, and Aster is kind of like Hyperliquid in the sense that they fall into a similar category. And in case you missed Hyperliquid, which went to billions and billions in market cap, sitting at almost 10 billion right now, up 50% in the past month alone, then Aster is pretty much right behind it. From some of the private communities that I'm in, they all got into Hyperliquid and a couple different dexes, and you normally not just get into or look into something that is number 1 in its category, but see what is in the top 5 in that category. What is the next runner up? And if you compare the benefits between what Aster is doing and what they're offering compared to Hyperliquid, you will see that one is undervalued and one might be overvalued at the current price. And they're only going to grow and get bigger from here, especially as they're getting closer to the airdrop. While they were building and improving over time, they redesigned the homepage and made it more intuitive to navigate, significantly increased liquidity as well through partnerships, have a maker fee of 0.01%, a taker fee of 0.035%, while also offering up to 100x leverage and advanced trading tools. Basically, lots of cool things that you usually don't get, all for you and me. Now, while there is a long list of everything that they did, the point is different things are available. Grid trading exists. You also have the entire portfolio page, which is then on the left hand side and gives you an overview also for Pro, the simple and the earn option, which means let's say you traded some, you made some profit. You can also head over to earn and then have high yield strategies, secure custody, staking, and also get additional airdrop rewards as you still earn points for that. If you hold the USDF stablecoin, you're also eligible for 20x AU points multiplier, which also contributes to the airdrop reward. Basically, if you use the site at all for anything, you do get points. And their long-term vision is to have their own layer 1 blockchain optimized for derivatives trading, so insanely fast and low fees, as well as a blockchain explorer for enhanced transparency and real-time tracking of trading activities so you can make better decisions and give you the tools as a trader to make the right decision. And if you know when to buy and when to sell, you can make a pretty penny. And the only thing prettier than a penny is you get some airdrop points. Usually, by just using products before the token gets released, you can farm a whole bunch of tokens which are probably going to be worth more than what you spent. And in this case, there's no spending. You only earn. You either stake and yield farm all of that and get some points for that, or you trade, and if you know how to trade, then you make money with that. And just an additional incentive to not just use the site, but also get rewarded further on once they drop. If you want to learn more details, they have like 280 pages in the white paper alone. This would take probably like 5 hours to go through. So if there's any question at all, it's very likely answered in here. And I will leave links to everything down below. If you want to trade it, farm some points, and get some money with that in the future, go for it. It might also be a better trading experience than other sites that you've used before. And with them having a new identity, a clear focus, and the long-term vision, as they know it's a multi-billion-dollar market, they're here to stay and they're only going to go bigger day by day. Links down below, and I see you in the next video. Take care.